Hi, this is Tux. Today I'll be teaching you a Nigerian recipe, yam and garden egg sauce. And for this recipe, I will be using dry fish, and this is how the fish usually looks like. To prepare it, all you need to do is add some salt, overheat and pour some hot water. This helps in cleaning the fish and softening it. And after doing that, then you have this. For my pepper mix, I used 2 tomatoes, 1 long paprika and 2 habanero pepper. I would also be cooking 1 plantain with my yam. So the first thing you have to do is peel your yam and your plantain if you are using any. Wash and transfer into a pot. In addition, add in your garden egg or eggplant. And if you have the bigger size like mine, ensure you cut them into smaller size before adding. In Nigeria, we usually have 2 types of garden egg or eggplant. We have the big ones, which is this purple type, and the smaller ones. Those ones are usually green in color. Add in some salt. Ensure your yam and your garden egg is properly covered in water and boil. Are you a fan of garden egg sauce? Or what's your favorite yam sauce? Let me know in the comment section. Other ingredients I will be using for my garden egg sauce include palm oil, grounded crayfish, onion, salt and seasoning to taste. Once the garden egg is boiled and soft, transfer into a bowl. Peel and mash. Note: do not blend. Our goal is not to get a smooth texture, but rather a coarse texture for the garden egg. Once your yam is ready, turn off the heat and set aside. And now that our garden egg is ready, we can start the preparation of the sauce. So the first thing is to add in your palm oil, then your onion. Fry for about 2 minutes, then add in your mixed pepper. Allow to fry for a bit, then season to taste. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tux, and on this channel I upload yummy recipes. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. Once your pepper base is ready, add in the dry fish or whichever fish you are using and allow to cook for about 4 minutes. Once that is ready, add in your garden egg. Note the garden egg is the last thing to add. You can also try this sauce with potatoes. So will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for today. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time.